Addressing engine abnormal noise due to cylinder head. Applicable models: Meteor 350, Reborn Classic 350, Hunter 350, New Bullet 350, Goan Classic 350. Tool required: cylinder head plug gauge. Check and confirm that abnormal noise is observed from the cylinder head region. Record engine noise video as per standard operating procedure. dB meter settings. Select max min mode. Select dBA mode. Select slow mode. Set level to 32 to 80 dBA. Vehicle to be placed in center stand condition. Ambient noise should be less than 60 dB. Ensure the engine is in neutral condition during measurement. Criteria: engine speed 1050 plus 100 rpm. Engine oil temperature EOT sensor 75 to 95 degrees Celsius. LH and RH noise level 74 dB max. Refer to engine noise measurement SOP for more information. If the noise from cylinder head is higher than 74 dB, remove the cylinder head from the engine, dismantle exhaust and inlet valve from cylinder head assembly, and follow the steps. Note: ensure the stem seal is not damaged during the valve removal. Insert the cylinder head inlet plug gauge tool to the inlet valve guide. If the tool is inserting into the valve guide, then the valve guide is worn out and has to be replaced. And if it is not inserting into the valve guide, then the valve guide is okay and replacement is not required. Similarly, check the exhaust valve guide using the exhaust plug gauge tool. Intake and exhaust specifications. Inlet valve guide 6.070 plus 0.005 mm. Exhaust valve guide 6.100 plus 0.005 mm. Note: for vehicles less than 5,000 km, do not open the cylinder head, res FOR to ASM. Assemble the exhaust and inlet valve to the cylinder head assembly and assemble the cylinder head to the engine.